Creative writing is a way to use your imagination to tell stories, share ideas, and express your feelings. Unlike regular writing, like homework or essays, creative writing can be fun and playful. It includes stories, poems, plays, and even songs. Some examples of creative writing are a short story about a superhero you make up, a poem about your favorite season, a play where your pets are the main characters. The great thing about creative writing is that there are no strict rules. You can create characters, settings, and adventures however you like. Want to write about a dragon who loves pizza? Or a robot who makes friends at school? Go for it! Here are some quick creative writing tips to get started. Read lots of books to get inspired. Keep a notebook to write down fun ideas that pop into your head. Don't worry about being perfect. Just let your imagination flow. Share your stories with others. You might inspire them too. Want to try some creative writing yourself? Here are some fun prompts. Imagine you wake up and discover you can fly. What happens next? Write a story from the point of view of your favorite snack. Describe a magical place that only you know about. Invent a brand new holiday. What do people do to celebrate it? Write a poem about your favorite animal, but don't say its name. Let readers guess. Creative writing is all about exploring your imagination. There's no single right way to do it. Just have fun and let your ideas flow. Thanks for joining us. For more information and resources related to creative writing, head to twinkl.com.